Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on installing the operating system and backing up your Lenovo IdeaPad 510. In this tutorial, we will walk through each step carefully, ensuring you have all the tools and knowledge needed for a successful installation. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger for opening the laptop, a USB drive with at least 8 GB capacity for the OS installation, and a reliable backup solution, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage. Now, let's start with the physical setup. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Flip the IdeaPad 510 upside down to access the screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Now, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean the internal fans and components with compressed air to remove any dust buildup, which can affect performance. Next, we need to prepare the USB drive for the OS installation. If you don't have the tools for this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make things easier for you. Insert your USB drive into another computer and download the Windows installation media from Microsoft's official website. Follow the prompts to create a bootable USB drive. Once your USB drive is ready, let's return to the IdeaPad. You need to insert the USB drive into an available USB port. Power on the laptop and immediately press the F12 key to access the boot menu. Select your USB drive from the options presented. The Windows installation process will start. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, time, and keyboard preferences. When prompted, choose Install Now and accept the license terms. If you have an existing operating system and want to perform a clean installation, select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. Be cautious here, ensure to back up any important files before proceeding. Once you select the partition to install Windows, the process will continue. This can take some time, so be patient. After installation, you will go through the initial setup, including creating a user account and configuring your settings. After setting up Windows, it's crucial to perform a backup. Use your external hard drive or cloud service to back up your files. Windows has built-in backup solutions, so make sure to enable file history or create a system image. Remember, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation if you experience any issues during this process. Finally, ensure all drivers are updated by visiting the Lenovo support website. Install the necessary drivers for optimal performance. This is also a good time to install any essential software you use regularly. And that's it. You have successfully installed Windows and backed up your Lenovo IdeaPad 510. If you need assistance, remember we offer a quote before repair, making it easy to address any future issues without any surprise costs. Enjoy your newly set up laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.